How to hide Snapchat score. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Snapchat score. Currently, Snapchat doesn't provide a direct option to hide your Snap score from your friends. However, there are a few steps you can use to limit who can see your Snap score. The first one is to remove your friends. Only people you have added as friends on Snapchat can view your Snap score. And to prevent someone from seeing it, you can simply remove them from your friends list. For that, open your Snapchat application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, find the person whom you would like to remove. Simply tap and hold the name of that person, and then you'll be able to see this pop-up. Here, you'll need to tap on this Manage Friendship option. Now, from here, you will need to select this Remove Friend option. Simply tap on it and the pop-up will appear. Tap on Remove to remove them. After doing that, the person will get removed. Also, if you want to completely restrict someone from viewing your profile and Snap score, you can simply block them. For that, you will need to come to this chat page and then again long press on the person's chat. From here, select Manage Friendship option on this pop-up and then from here, select the Block option. Simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on Block once again. You'll be able to limit this person to see your Snap score. Also, to prevent unknown users from seeing your Snap score, you can simply hide your profile from appearing in the Quick Add section. For that, you will need to tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen and then here tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here now, you will need to scroll down until you find this Privacy Controls section. And once you reach to this section, from here, you will need to look for the option See Me in Quick Add. Once you get it, simply tap on it and inside it, you will be able to locate the option. Now you will need to uncheck this box at the right side. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to disable the Quick Add visibility. You can come back to the previous page now. The changes will take effect automatically. Also, note that once you block or remove the friends, they will be permanently removed unless you re-add them later. And also there is no feature currently available that allows users to hide their Snap score while keeping their friends. So by following these methods, you should be able to hide your Snap score. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.